Here we have a 23 plate Range Rover. Now this vehicle does come with a Land Rover warranty until the vehicle is 3 years old. It also has over £10,000 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the pre-cabin conditioning. We have the 23-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, finished in gloss black. We also have the pearl white exterior paintwork. We have the shadow pack on the exterior, the contrasting black roof as well. We also have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills. There's a look at the front end with the Range Rover across the bonnet. Round to the passenger side, you find the second alloy wheel, again unmarked, just down here. We also have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set on its lowest setting. We have the colour-coded door handles, which do fold in and out when the vehicle is locked or unlocked. We also have the blind spot mirrors, which are in the contrasting black colour. Black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well at the rear. We have the panoramic glass sunroof that's currently open. It can also get put onto a tote, shark fin antennas, and also the gloss black rear spoiler. We do have the 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors as well. We also have the blacked out tail lights, which really do look fantastic. We have the power operated tailgate, so press this button on the remote and you can see it will open it just like so, split in half, top and bottom. Inside of here you find we have plenty of space, really nice luxury carpet inside of here. We do also have some buttons on the right hand side along with a storage net as well just there. Now these buttons do fold the parcel shelf back, as you can see, electrically adjustable. We also have the buttons for the air suspension so you can raise or lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. Then we also have the buttons so we can press this button and then the boot will fold back down, as you can see. Same with the top half. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now we do have the soft close on the doors as well. If we open it up, you can see we do have the deployable side steps as well. We have the full black leather interior, really luxury feel inside of here. Fixed ISO points, foldable armrest. We have the wooden effect trim as well on the doors. The climate control for the rear passengers as well. There's a look at the sunroof from the inside. We also have these headrests, which are really nice, soft and plush. We have the back seats are electrically adjustable, as you can see, controlled just there. Electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the same full black leather interior at the front. There's a look at them front seats. Again, electrically adjustable with the memory functions. Both front seats are also heated. Got the electric mirrors and electric windows. Premium Meridian sound system. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable. And it's also heated as well. Again, the wooden effect just there. Really luxurious feel inside of here. Now if we just take a seat inside, close the door. We do have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, which is just down here in the centre, then the vehicle will turn on. We've got the automatic lights and the automatic wipers as well. We have the heads-up display just up here. Now if any of the screens are flickering, it is just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We have the lane keeping assist. We also have the adaptive cruise control and the heated steering wheel as well just there. We have the digital dashboard in front of us, which can display different bits of information that you would have seen on the photos. So if we quickly go through, press this circle, then you can see we have plenty of display layouts and bits of information which we can go through. Currently on dial. If we go onto map, it will change it to the sat nav. Main infotainment screen in the centre. Again, plenty of features that you would have seen on the photos, but quickly just going through them. If we go onto the sat-nav navigation, you can see we have it just there as well. Again, if the screen is flickering, it's just the camera, then it's not flickering in real life. Got the phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the media with the radio stations and the other options as well just here. We have the access height, the normal height, and also the off-road, which is the air suspension, as you can see. Let's just set it back to normal. We do also have the other options just here, such as the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. We have all these other bits of information which you can scroll through. As you can see, got the cabin lighting, which acts as like the ambient lighting. Click onto there, you can see all the colours just here. If we go back again though, we do also have plenty more features. So quickly going through, we have the off-road information just here, which this vehicle is very capable of going off-road, as you can see. We also have further options, so we do have the park assist, which is a really useful feature. So as you drive along a empty car park or a full car park, if it finds an empty space, then you can press start and it will either reverse in or reverse out, depending if you're leaving a space or entering a space, just like so. Really useful feature, especially for a car of this size. We also have the climate control down here. We can also access it on the screen. If you put the car into reverse, then you find the 360 cameras appear on the screen, and we can press each one just like so. Or we also have the off-road camera, so if we just drive forward for a moment, you can see we'll have access to the underneath camera, as you can see just there. Really smart feature and really useful for off-roading. Put it back into park, we do also have the different drive modes just here. It's currently on auto. If we press that up, you can see we have the comfort drive mode, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand. We have the rock crawl, wade, and then go the other way. You can see the eco and also dynamic. Also comes up on the dashboard as you switch between the different drive modes. Let's just keep it into auto though. We have the storage space inside of there and the wireless phone charging and a Type-C USB port. Cup holders just inside of there. We also have a leather armrest and also armrests on each side just here. Can be opened up for extra storage. We have the heated seats as well, which can be controlled just here, as you can see on the dials on both the front seats. We can also adjust the heated seats at the rear, so if we go on to seats on the screen, you can see we have the rear just there, and we can turn the heated seats on at the rear. We can also adjust the seats, so as you can see, plenty of different adjustments just here which we can go through. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 23 plate Range Rover. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now up to 5 with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. Not very enough to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which is also heated and it is electrically adjustable. Really nice wooden effect on here, really nice to touch. We have the paddle shifters on either side if you want to stick the car into manual mode, as this vehicle is an automatic. We also have the digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays that we're seeing on the photos. We also have the heads-up display as well just above there, currently showing our speed and also the road speed limit. We also have the premium Meridian sound system, really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we have plenty of features on here, £10,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof that you can currently see just there. But the main infotainment screen, again, full of features that you would have seen on the photos. It's currently showing the sat-nav. We also have the 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors. We have the parking assistant as well. We also have the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning. Both these front seats, really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions. They're also both heated, and both the rear seats at the outer side are also heated as well. Now we're about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down, and then we make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reversing camera up here on the screen, along with the 360 view as well. Back into drive, and we've got the front facing camera up here on the screen. We also have the blind spot assist mirrors as well. But that's all that I'm going to go through today. If you'd like to find out more, then please get in contact with our sales team. That's all for me today. Cheers.